Welcome back to Selenium WebDriver with Java tutorial series. In the last tutorials, we downloaded and installed all necessary softwares into our machine, configure the environment, prepare it to write test codes, and we wrote some programming codes using Java programming, and we did also execute the tests and validate them. And we also close the browser and quit the session. Alright, let's go to our project. What we did all these steps and successfully execute the test, and the test was passed. Okay, now what we going to do in this tutorial is, let me run the code first and see how it's going on. This is the one way we can run our test scripts. Okay, it's navigating to Bank of America, passing the parameter, click on the sign in button, and we can see the tests become passed. All right, you see the test successfully completed. Now we want to tell the driver also to get the title. We want to see the title of this banking application, bankofamerica.com. Okay, to do it, I just write driver.getTitle. Let's run the code and see what happens. Invoking the browser, navigating to bankofamerica.com, passing the parameter, and click on sign in button. Okay, fine. Now nothing happened. Actually, it was earlier and we see nothing more. So the get title couldn't print the title because we didn't tell it to print the title. So we can say so control space bar and just copy it and put it inside. Okay, and let's see what happens. Actually, we are not going to do it. We will do different way. Just I want to show you what it will happen if we try to get the title this way. Okay, very good. And you see the Bank of America, we get the title Bank of America. Okay, online banking, forgot online ID and password. It comes because we used fake password and username. Okay, now even we don't want like this way. Okay, we want to print it professional way. How? We can say it's a string and we can save our data driver dot get title. We can call it program or codes in a variable name title. So now this driver dot title, this code, is stored in a variable called title. Okay, what is variable? At the very beginning I told you variable is nothing but a container where we store our data. So variable is just a container. It's just like a box where we can put our data information. Okay, and now what I can do, I can just print the title where we store this program of code or data inside the title. If I print it, it will print the driver.getTitle, title of the banking application. Okay, so I just run the code again and check what happens. It's invoking the browser, navigating to Bank of America, expanding the window, passing the parameter, and click on sign in button. And we can see the same title inside. And we can print it more professional way. We can say the title of the application is, okay, and I can say plus title, and now it will print more professionally. Invoking the browser, navigating to Bank of America, expanding the window, passing the parameter, and going to be clicked on sign in. And we see the title of the application is Bank of America. Okay, and the task successfully completed. Okay, so thus we can print. Okay, thus we can print the title of the application or web application or website we are testing. All right, so thank you very much for joining with us in this session, and we are inviting you to join the next session. In the next tutorial we will see how we can code modular. Okay, how we can make this program, this programming, or this coding, or writing this script more effectively, efficiently, and nicely. Modular coding is clean coding. Okay, um, arranging everything module by module, make it running independently module by module, and make it more clean, more organized, more robust, and beautiful. Okay, thank you very much. I hope to see you in the next session. Thank you.